Hey everyone, Josh here with the J-Dub Outdoors NZ YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well, and in today's episode I'm out camping and exploring with my brother, and I'll tell you what, it's some good fun, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Alrighty guys, we're off into the bush. Just arrived at the campsite, so our plan of attack is to set up camp, have a few drinks and just sit back, relax, and then we'll have dinner later on, and tomorrow we're going to do a bit of exploring, so make sure to watch to the end of the video. Alrighty guys, we just found our campsite. Alrighty guys, sorry, I do know it's poor light, but we have now got the tent and awning set up. Now I'm just going to do my lights. So I'm planning on tying down my awning really tight, because at 2 AM in the morning we're meant to get high winds. So it's going to be very loud in the tent, but sometimes that's what you have to put up with. So we're going to do this real quick. So I'll line up my peg and put this over it. Bang it down, tighten that. That ain't going anywhere. Alrighty guys, it's that time of night, eh? Let's crack this baby open. Beautiful. Well, it's been about 2 hours now, so we're not going to have any dinner tonight, because we actually had a bit of dinner just before we got here, because we left quite late, which is all good because we got a meal prep for tomorrow morning. So what I'm going to do now is grab out the diesel heater, set that up so we're nice and toasty for the night. I've got the diesel heater out, so we're just going to chuck this in the tent here. There we go, that's in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these negative and positive to my battery. That will give it charge, well that will give it battery. Crank this baby on and we're away. Diesel heater's on, look, you can hear it ticking away. And I've got this remote here, so I can turn it off when I'm in the tent whenever I need to. The engine in the diesel heater has got to 120 degrees, which is absolutely beautiful for what we want inside the tent. So it's time for bed now, so we're going to have a good sleep tonight, hopefully. It is very windy, so we might wake up from the wind a few times, but that's all good. Oh, it's so nice in here, guys. You can see that. Here's the pipe blowing out nice and warm air. It's going to be a beautiful sleep, I reckon. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning guys, it's an absolutely stunning morning this morning. No wind at all, lovely and sunny. It's 7:30 AM at the moment. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to put on a coffee and then I'm going to have some breakfast. Cheers, guys. Oh, so good. So for this morning's breakfast, we're gonna have some pancakes. Here you go, mate.
Shots, Josh.
Cheers, guys. Now we just finished up some brickies, so now it's time to pack up our camp and then we're going to go explore. Just finished packing up the awning, now it's time to pack up the tent. 'Tent and awning is all packed up. Now it's time to head off and explore. We've just made it to Lawrence Road, so this takes us to the Tutaikuri River, and there's actually a campsite right at the end of this road. I've never been down here before, but I'm pretty keen to check it out. So we're just on the shingle road now. So we've just driven down to the campsite, but it doesn't really have too much to offer because this place actually got wiped out from Cyclone Gabrielle. So when that came through, that wiped out the whole campsite because the campsite's right next to the river. So there's only probably about 2 spots down there for you to actually pitch a tent. So it's very mid. There's actually a nice little location a little bit up the road, which I'll show you now. That's definitely a cool little area. This is a cool little spot. I can imagine I can see myself camping here sometime in the future. It's actually very cool in here because it's all surrounded by trees, so if it was quite a windy night, you'd be alright. Alright guys, we just pulled over on the side of the track here. Have a look at how cool this view is. I'm not too sure what mountain this is, but it's actually it looks so cool. And there's just valleys, and down at the bottom of this valley here is the Tutaikuri River. Check out this beast, how cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the end of the video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I've got plenty more camping videos on my channel, so make sure to check those out and subscribe if you're keen to see more. Thanks for watching guys, cheers.